Welcome to Big Braids and Crypto. I'm your host, Mr. Big Braids, coming to you live from a reservation somewhere, taking a quick look at Farm, MLN, JASMY. We'll do a couple coins and see where we're at. Well, let's get it started. Taking a look at Farm, I hope a lot of people in the community got a piece of the Farm action. I've been keeping an eye on it since the beginning of the crypto, since the last run, since it's been in, since the last time it took off. I definitely got a piece of that action. I I was lucky. I got up and took profit. I got in at like $98 and I lucked out and woke up just in time at 280, so I took profit at about at 280, which was pretty awesome. So definitely looking for some, it's to see. I'm definitely interested in where Farm's going here, but definitely looking at buying in again back down here at the bottom. So a lot of people scalping these days, so I'm definitely scalping these goddamn things. So more power to you if y'all's got some cash out of that. I know my measly scalps ain't gonna freaking drop this thing down, but I did make some action on this sucker. So definitely awesome because a lot of stuff was on sale at that time, and Farm was moving, and when Farm moves, it moves. So definitely. Definitely did get the all the way up to the 500 mark, hoping for 1,000 mark. A lot of those numbers been thrown out there as Farm goes, so it's still got some room to play. Definitely coming down, could be possibly testing the 618, the 786 for some consolidation, and then the next move up. So but if we do lose support at the 786 at 135, definitely going back down to 103 and consolidation, and then the wait for the next move up. But a lot of people were looking for places to put their money, and a lot of these low max currency coins are they're pretty solid, and they pump really fast. So this is what we were to expect, and where it goes from here remains to be seen. In the beginning there was a lot of farm people in this, and it was making some moves for quite some time, and it consolidated for quite some time, and here we are again. So interesting to keep an eye on. So keep an eye on those prices. Definitely got to look for this 250, 251 as far as some breakout action on Farm, and then start moving on that next leg up. So definitely keep an eye on those prices. Got to keep an eye on these lower prices as well. We'll take a look at, I put MLN on here. MLN was making some moves today as well, and over the past, let's see, a couple days here, and it started moving as well, just like with Farm today, and it's already tested the top twice. If it does test again, and it does get rejected, definitely looking for some pullback to 101 for some consolidation and next move up. If it does, a lot of these coins do test the 786, so definitely looking at 94.33 for some consolidation. Next move up, if we do lose support there, look for 85.60. Definitely, as far as some breakout action, we definitely keep an eye on 126.39. If we can get over that for some consolidation, we can start looking at those higher points and what to look for as far as next moves up. We could take a little gander at that and see. So definitely get looking for 149.72 if we start getting this breakout move here. So keep an eye on that. Could just blast through it if MLN got some FU money and start making some moves to the upside. So we'll start hitting these bigger numbers, just like MLN just basically moves like Farm. So that we'll keep an eye on that. But you always got to remember, this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. Jasmy's been holding pretty solid at the. It came through the 786, and it's been holding down there pretty quick. It hasn't really. It got, it hit some of these lower numbers. It didn't quite hit the lowest numbers we had put out there, 0.04, but it is holding, sideways at 0.0774. So definitely got to get over this, 786 at 0.1023, find some support and start looking on the next leg up. But we'll keep posting some JASMY for everybody in JASMY, and we'll see where we're at tomorrow. So We'll keep an eye on those prices. Jasmy's being Jasmy. Let's see, we got Sandbox here. Sand, it looks like it's got, geez, might possibly, I mean, I'd almost look like, if I see something like this, I'm looking for like possibly some lower price sections. Definitely start looking for some sales. Definitely looking at this 482. Could possibly be, you know, I mean, it's looks like a weird head and shoulders pattern, but it does look like it's pressing down. So keep an eye on those prices. But if we do get a good bounce on the 618, definitely start looking. We still got those same prices as far as breakout action. We definitely got to get over this 853 as far as that next move up. We definitely got to put these lower prices on down here at like 260 and you know, $4 as far as BTC being so undecided. You know, but you know, a lot of these you know, game tokens and stuff are doing pretty good, so got to keep an eye on that. So this is a Sandbox. Keep an eye on that price action, and you always got to remember this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. And it looks like we got through quite a bit of the coins we wanted. Let's take a look at Bond. I know Bond's one of those coins that are those. It was trying to make some moves today. Definitely Guts, I mean, it's got a downward trend going on. Looks like it's probably going to come back down, and you know, check the side. I'd imagine it's probably already through this 786 here and consolidating sideways. So we can try to take a look and find. I mean, it had a big wick that went quite a ways up there, and it's definitely looking like it's probably going to check this 786 at 1793, and you know, get some consolidation and possibly the next move up. So we definitely got to keep an eye on 2129 as far as the next move up, and if we lose support at 1793, start looking for 1702, and if it does consolidate any further down than that, looking at 1438 for some consolidation next move up. So definitely keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on BTC, and we'll do some follow-up videos tomorrow. And for everybody and all the coins listed, good luck. And you always got to remember, this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only, and you always got to do what's right for you. So everybody, all the coins, you always have a good afternoon, good morning, good night, good evening, and Mr. Big Braids signing out.